Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify local network access for Home Assistant automation step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Home Assistant web interface by entering the local IP address of your Home Assistant instance. Log in with your credentials if prompted. Once logged in, locate the sidebar menu and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, select Devices and Services. To verify local network access, identify the device you want to check. Click on the device to view its details. Look for the status indicator next to the device name. If the status shows as available, local access is confirmed. If the status indicates otherwise, click on Edit to check the device configuration. Ensure the device is properly connected to the same local network as your Home Assistant. After verifying the connection, consider checking the device's IP address. You can find the device IP address in your router's admin panel. Once you have the IP address, return to the Home Assistant interface. In the device details, look for any configuration options related to network settings. If necessary, adjust the IP settings to match your local network requirements. Save any changes you've made and refresh the device page. Monitor the status indicator to see if it updates to available. Next, test the automation associated with this device. Trigger the automation from Home Assistant and observe the response of the device. If the device responds correctly, your local network access is verified. If not, revisit the network settings and device configuration for any issues. You might consider restarting the Home Assistant service or the device itself for changes to take effect. Always ensure your firewall settings allow communications on the required ports. With these steps, you can successfully verify local network access for Home Assistant automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.